Hi, Shannon Andrews and Gunnar P. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive.
Today we are making berry pancakes with a blueberry orange sauce. Let's start with making the sauce. For this recipe you will need 1 cup of blueberries, frozen, 1 cup of orange juice, 100% unsweetened, a tablespoon of cornstarch. In a saucepan over medium heat, add blueberries, orange juice, and cornstarch. Stir until boiling. Let the sauce boil for 2 minutes or until thickened. Keep warm. The Otoe word for blueberry is Hande Toinge, which means little blue grape. Wild blueberries have been growing across North America for thousands of years. They are valued as food and medicine. Some tribes call blueberries star berries because the end of each blueberry has a star shape. Blueberries are eaten fresh, stewed, or sun-dried. Dried berries were added whole or ground to add flavor to foods like pudding, soups, cakes, and dried meats. Some tribes made a blueberry pudding where blueberries were mixed with cracked corn and water. Blueberries were also used to make hujapi, a thick berry sauce that was traditionally made with choke cherries by the Lakota people. Now let's make the berry pancakes. For this recipe you will need 2 cups of bakery mix, low fat, 1 cup of 1% milk, 2 eggs, 2 cups of blueberries frozen. In a bowl, combine bakery mix, milk, and eggs. Fold in the blueberries. Blueberries have fiber and vitamin C and are low in fat, sodium, and calories. When in season, fresh berries can be used instead of frozen berries. When picking fresh berries, choose berries that are firm, plump, and dry with a dusty blue color. Fresh blueberries will stay fresh in the refrigerator for 10 to 14 days. Store berries in a carton that allows for airflow. Wash under cold running water and use right away. To freeze, wash and pat dry before storing in a freezer-safe container or zip-top bag. Frozen blueberries will last up to 10 months. Thaw frozen blueberries and serve as a side or a snack any time of the year. Heat a nonstick skillet over medium heat or a nonstick griddle to 375 degrees. Pour a 1/4 cup of the batter onto a skillet or onto the griddle. Cook for 2 minutes or until edges are dry. Flip and cook for another 2 minutes. Any type of fruit can be used. Try chopped strawberries, cherries, banana, or peaches. Other types of 100% fruit juice could be used. Try apple or cranberry. For more flavor, try adding cinnamon or nutmeg to the pancake batter. Serve pancakes with warm blueberry orange sauce. This recipe makes 7 servings. 1 serving is 2 pancakes and 1/4 cup of sauce. Enjoy!